Why did a bird stop singing? Sometimes a little attention is all it takes to bring back a lost voice. A beautiful bird stopped singing because it felt ignored and unappreciated. Day after day, it sat quietly, longing for someone to notice its presence. One day, a curious child noticed the silent bird and decided to sing back. The bird remembered its song and, encouraged by the child, began to sing again. The child smiled brightly, and soon others joined in filling the air with music. Your voice matters. Don't let silence stop your song. For even the quietest can be heard. Because sometimes when you feel unheard, you must remember